Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share how I learned English at home without any coaching, without any classes. Yes, I did it all myself, and so you can. Okay, so when I started my journey, I didn't have anyone to talk in English, but I really wanted to speak, okay, confidently. That's when I decided to create an English environment at home. It's a very important thing, okay. For example, if you are in a garden, then describe everything in a English you see, okay. If you have if you in the garden and other place, so describe the thing, plant, anything, okay. Next thing is talking to the mirror is one of the best way to improve your English, okay. Stand in front of mirror and speak yourself. Talk about your day, your plans, your anything you like, okay. For example, today I am feeling happy. I will go to the market. Watch your expressions and body language. It's help you become more confident. Okay. You don't need to the partner. The mirror become your best speaking partner. Just speak daily without fear or hesitation. Okay. Next step is reading out loud daily is a great way to improve your English speaking skill. When I read, okay, I read out loud, okay. I practice pronounce how to pronounce this word, and this thing is improve your fluency and build your confidence. It's help you become comfortable with the new words and sentence structure. Okay, choose any book like cartoons book, any articles, even your daily routine, and read it out loud, okay, for 10 and 15 minutes every day, not so much. This small habit can make a big difference in your English speaking journey, okay. This is very very important. And last not the least, write a small sentence about your day. Journaling, yeah, is a great way to improve, okay, and great way to practice English. Start with a simple action. For example, I woke up at 7 a.m. I made tea. They are the small but powerful sentence. Write what you did in the morning, afternoon, evening. Keep it in the simple and clear. This daily writing habit improves your grammar, vocabulary, and confidence. Also, write a small sentence every day, okay, and don't wait for the perfect time or place. Start speaking English right now. Okay. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Take care.